Hello, and welcome to another update video about Uniswap. I thought it's time to update Uniswap again. We obviously put already a video into our long-term chart analysis playlist. Feel free, by the way, to check out that playlist. It's pretty much up to date with many coins in there and all-time high targets for the coins. I typically show the long-term targets in the beginning because the short-term analysis comes afterwards and is basically not relevant anymore if you watch it a few weeks later, but the long-term is, and that hasn't changed. So if you are interested in the long-term chart outlook, take a look at that playlist. But this is the overall count. Yeah, we currently count the way or the move to the upside, which occurred between, well, the beginning basically and May 21 as a wave 1. And now we are basically in this ABC correction, in which I think we have done an A wave, a very impulsive move down, looks like an A wave, then a strong B wave, and we're now heading down in a C wave. And that's a pretty nice chart actually. It looks fairly clear. It's just that down here not much is going on, but it does rather confirm the count. So the idea is that in this C wave we completed a wave 1, we completed a wave 2, we probably completed a third wave, and what we're doing now is a fourth wave. Now it's getting a little bit unclear in terms of, okay, do we first make a leg up and come down then, or do we go down straight away? But Uniswap is a chart where I, at the moment, at least primarily, you know, it's always a question about what's the primary count, what's the alternative, but primarily I do expect another low for Uniswap in this current bear market. I mean, if it is still a bear market or not is a different question, but I still expect another low. And the reason for that is that there has not been any impulsive price action of the June lows, at least not clearly, while there certainly has been some kind of an impulsive move. You can count that as a 5-wave move, which occurred, so that move that occurred between June and July. Anything that happened afterwards did not really suggest any kind of a breakout that might be coming. Yeah, I mean, you can certainly, and that would be the alternative count, basically a direct breakout count to the upside. We would have to count this here as a wave 1, but then, you know, what would be this? This would be an A wave, this would be a B wave, and the C wave, but the C wave is running out of space. It's a bit too short, you know. Of course, it's possible to find support as long as we don't break below that June swing low at $3.34. It's possible to still rally in a 1-2 setup, but it's rather unlikely given the structure and also the fact that basically we have now taken out the November low again, or at least we are about to. As you can see here, you know, we are nearly about to break it. So it is not really suggestive of a direct breakout to the upside. If we get a rally, I would think we rather get a rally in this triangle pattern. We talked about that triangle pattern in the last video. The idea is that we are now obviously in a fourth wave. And in this fourth wave, there are two options. The first option is that we have an A wave here. This is a B wave as a triangle, and the C wave to the upside could unfold next. And that would be quite a bit of a rally. That could, for example, I give you just a rough idea where that could be landing, that C wave. Yeah, if we take the length of the A wave, we go to the last low here, that might still shift a little bit, but target wise, you know, we might be talking about roughly either 871, which is the 61.8 extension, that would be a short C wave though, or the $11.12 level would be a very common one, just roughly from what we can see now, $11, the 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah? So, however, to confirm that move, it would need to break above this particular swing high, which is the B wave high at $7.60, because I'm currently counting it as an A wave, then the B wave to the downside and the C wave to come. And in this B wave, we currently look at a triangle pattern: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave. So it could very well be we get another bounce to the upside and then a move to the downside. If we get that, then we need to be on high alert for a breakout to the upside in a C wave. Yeah, but I would like to see for that one more lower high and one more higher low. However, if price breaks below the yellow A wave low, which is nearly done basically, that's at 476, Then we have some clarity, and then the count is a little bit different. So we would take that ABC out and we would count the entire move as a triangle. Yeah, then it would be a wave 4 triangle. So I've now brought that onto the chart. It just shows that the wave 4 as itself can be counted as a triangle. Maybe one more wave up, yeah, even though I cannot rule out that something like that happened. We would then already be in the break to the downside. But that would only be confirmed if we take out that B wave low. Yeah, but for now, it could even be this. So in summary, it is a bit unclear if that triangle will break to the upside. I gave you a clear breakout level that would confirm if we get a higher wave 4. But eventually, based on what we see now, there are two main scenarios. Both are pointing to another bear market low, at the moment at least. And that would either be directly from here, well, from here, or from there, or even if we get that higher wave 4 from there. But all scenarios currently point to another low. I think that is pretty clear. We need to be watching the breakout point that I gave you for possibly a higher wave 4. Then we also have some clarity, but at the moment, for me, a direct breakout to the upside, even though it can be considered, is less likely, and there are other better setups available that can be considered for a direct breakout. But here, I think it is one of the charts where with a higher probability, we can still expect another bear market low. Okay, that's my update about Uniswap. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.